Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a product spotlight looking at the world of Rockwell. Well, for many years now, Rockwell has been making a name as one of the introductory razor brands on the shaving market. If you are getting into wet shaving, if you are browsing on Facebook and you talk into your phone and you say, wet shaving, chances are you'll probably see an ad for Rockwell Razors. Rockwell has been out for many years and they've really made a name for themselves, in my opinion, namely with their 6C system or 6S razor system. And I think it's kind of like their standout product that really is one of the most unique things about them. It's the idea of taking a base plate, having different exposures of a blade gap represented by these different guards. So this guard here is actually kind of can be flipped over and get two different exposures. So there's a number on the bottom of these. So this one is number 1, so that's going to be really mild. If I flip it over, it's number 3. So more of like a mid-aggressive. So you can actually just quickly adjust your razor, shaving performance by just flipping it over. So these guards are not symmetrical. It's pretty unique. In fact, I think it's something they got a patent on. And so that's kind of a unique, cool thing in the shaving world. These products are made in China, and the company is based out of Canada. They may do some finishing or assembly work in Canada, but I think almost all this stuff is really from China. But hence the introductory price point. You're not going to be able to get stuff that's made out of stainless steel or zinc or chrome plated really for that price if it's all made in Canada. So it's kind of part of the product mix there. They also have introductory razors. They have this little guy. I think they call this the R1 or the Rookie. And it's a butterfly razor. It's private label made. If the other big claim to fame is the T2, the adjustable razor over here. So it kind of claims that it's a razor that you can again adjust the shave, but instead of it being where you have to have different base plates and guards, it actually does change with just the turn of a dial here. So it's pretty cool, and a butterfly is open as well. So that is, at the time, this is the only modern razor that I can think of outside of some of the other, I think some of the, the Vikings that are adjustable butterfly razors. This is mostly stainless. There is a couple brass components inside and a couple zinc components inside, but it's mostly stainless. And, they have some other fun accessories. They got a little, manicure kit here if you need to trim your nails and, cuticles and little grooming scissors. Pretty cool. And of course the beard and mustache comb and shaving brush. I like to tell people that if you're getting started in the world of wet shaving, you really don't know where to start. There's a lot of conflicting advice you're getting. I definitely think that one of their system razors like the 6C, which is the zinc razor, or the 6S, which is stainless, those are great places to start. The different guards really can, change up the shaving experience for you and really kind of dial in what you like. If you're more of someone who likes a mild razor or medium or more of aggressive razor. And don't forget, you can also change the blades out. Rockwell also makes a line of blades. I think they're pretty good. They're more of a mid-aggressive blade, kind of like, I wouldn't say it's a super aggressive blade at all. I think it pairs nicely with what they have. If you feel like that's, a good shave for you, awesome. If it's, kind of pulling and tugging, you may want a more aggressive blade, kind of middle of the road. And I kind of think that's where Rockwell's at overall with its brand. It's not aiming to be super high end. It's not aiming to be top of the market, fanciest. It's also not trying to be the cheapest, bottom of the barrel stuff. These are introductory. These are kind of coming to the market and a good place to start. That's what I recommend them for, and most of our beginners, seem to like them for sure. I also really like their inkwell stands. I think these are nice. You can have a big, heavy, metal stand on your counter. Put your razor down in it. Don't have to worry about it. One unique thing with Razor Emporium, and we've been doing this for years, and we've done hundreds of them, is we like to take the 6S razor, which for all intents and purposes looks a lot like this, and the 6S is fully stainless steel with 3 different base plates, and we will do a polish and or plating job on them. We can do in gold or rhodium, or just polish them and kind of take the satin finish it comes with and really accentuate it and kind of bling it out, so to speak. So that's something unique to Razor Emporium. I did see that they offered a satin gold version of the 6S for their 10-year anniversary on the market. So That's cool. You know, we can do that. We can do it in shiny gold too, or satin gold, either way. You know, Rockwell's a great company. I've met the owner, Garrett. I met him at Maggard's Razors years back. Nice guy. Their big thing with the shaving market is they want everyone to have the adjustability. They want people to have different shaving experiences. It can adapt for your skin type, your beard type. They're big on everything, and eco packaging, and trying to be environmentally friendly. And don't forget, that's half the reason a lot of people get into wet shaving is they want to have less waste. They don't want to be throwing all these cartridges and packaging in the landfills every day. And so a double-edged system like this is more economical in the long run and not producing so much waste. So I think that's a cool aspect of Rockwell. So we like them. We saw a lot of them. Garrett's a cool guy. Met him. I think he's innovative, especially with the flipping base plates concept. That's a really nice idea, and he's done well with it. So that's Rockwell. If you have owned a Rockwell, if it's in your shaving den right now, if it's your favorite razor, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. That's all I got. Thanks for tuning in today for Razor Emporium, all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.